Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna be share a really simple little tool that will generate subject lines for you. Now this may happen all of the times, like we write down a total email, but when it comes to subject line we can't even able to decide like which will catch the user. So for that purpose today we have our this tool. I would say it is a tool because this is not a whole app, this is just a featured section of a website. So let's see it. So here we have today's website, that is free AI powered email subject line generator. So in their name they have already mentioned that is it is free, second it is AI powered, and subject line generator. That's basically it, like nothing big, like nothing too much, nothing else. And here really simple site to use. Here I have already inputted something in the fields, like you will get three fields, and here you have to write down for what this is mail about, then your company name, then which tone you need it, like friendly, enthusiast, assertive, awestruck, candid, casual, joyful, passionate, everything is there. Okay, a lot of things. So we will go for the default friendly, and let's click on generate AI subject line, and it will take some time. Okay, so here are our subject lines. Okay, here you can see some of the subject lines and you can directly copy it from here. So let's try another tone. Okay, let's try humorous also. Yeah, so you we have our next generated timeless subject lines here as well. See, so yeah, really simple product, simple to use, nothing complex. It does really just one thing, that is generate subject line for you. That's it. That's it. Nothing else for this video as well. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know some of the great tools like this on the internet, please let me know about them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.